पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर इयत्ता 10वी सायन्स 1 बोर्ड मार्च 2022 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पार्ट 2 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत. जे या चॅनलवर नवीन आहेत, ज्यांनी अजूनही आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर त्यांनी आत्ताच केअर एज्युकेशन ट्रिक्स या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. तसेच पुढील नवीन व्हिडिओचे प्रथम नोटिफिकेशन मिळवण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन तसेच लाईक या बटनला क्लिक करा. काही कमेंट्स असतील तर अवश्य कळवा, योग्य मार्गदर्शन केले जाईल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपणास अगोदरचे सर्व व्हिडिओ अभ्यासायचे असतील तर केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्सच्या लोगोवर क्लिक करा. होम पेज शेजारी असलेल्या व्हिडिओ या ठिकाणी क्लिक करा. आपणास सर्व व्हिडिओचा अभ्यास करता येईल. विषयाप्रमाणे अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर प्लेलिस्टमधील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासा. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पैकीच्या पैकी मार्क मिळावेत ही सदिच्छा. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अजूनही केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर चला ते पटकन करा. क्वेश्चन 3. आन्सर द फॉलोइंग एनी 15 मार्क्स. 1. Write the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. क्वेश्चन 3.1. The demerits of Mendeleev periodic tables. 1. The whole number atomic mass of the elements cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. 2. Isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. Isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses. A challenge was posed in placing them in a Mendeleev periodic table. 3. When elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. 4. Position of hydrogen cannot be decided. Whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the group of alkali metals, group 1, or in the group of halogens, group 7. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen group. There is a similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals. No fixed position was given to hydrogen in Mendeleev's periodic table. Question 2. State the laws related to the given diagram. See diagram carefully. The law related to the given diagram. 1. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. 2. The line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. 3. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. T square directly proportional r cube, that is t square upon r cube is equal to constant is equal to k. Question 3. Identify the type of chemical reactions given below. A. CuSO4 plus Fe Arrow FeSO4 plus Cu. B. 2Mg plus O2. Arrow 2MgO. C. 2KClO3. Arrow 2KCl plus 3O2. Question 3a. CeSO4 plus Fe. Arrow FeSO4 plus Cu. The type of chemical reaction is displacement reaction. B. 2Mg plus O2. Arrow 2MgO. The type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. C. 2KClO3. Arrow 2KCl plus 3O2 gas. The type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. 4. If the speed of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium? Speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. 4. The speed of light in medium V2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per seconds. Speed of light in vacuum V1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The absolute refractive index of the medium N is equal to V1 upon V2. Formula: N is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. Place the value. 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 cancel. 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, N is equal to 2. Therefore, absolute refractive index of the medium is 2. Question V. Read the following paragraph and answer the question based on it. If heat is an exchange between a hot and cold object, the temperature of the cold object goes on increasing due to the gain of energy, and the temperature of the hot objects goes on decreasing due to loss of energy. The change in temperature continues till the temperature of both the objects attain the same value. In this process, the cold object gains heat energy and the hot object loses heat energy. If the system of both the objects is isolated from the environment by keeping it inside a heat resistance box, then no energy can flow from inside the box or come into the box. Question A. Heat is a transfer from where to where? Heat is a transfer from hot objects to cold object. B. Which principles do we learn about from this process? Principle of heat exchange we learn about from this process. C. How will you state the principle briefly? C. Principle of heat exchange is stated as heat energy lost by the hot object is equal to heat energy gained by the cold object. 6. Complete the following table for convex lens. Serial number, position of the object, position of the image, nature of the image. 1. Behind 2f1. 2. At infinity. 3. Real, inverted and enlarged. 6. 1. Position of the object behind 2f1. Position of the image between f2 and 2f2. Nature of the image, real and inverted, smaller. 2. Position of the object at focus f1. Position of the image at infinity. Nature of the image, real and inverted, highly enlarged. 3. Position of the object between f1 and 2f1. Position of the image behind 2f2. Nature of the image: real, inverted, and enlarged. Question 7. Explain the following terms. A. Metallurgy. B. Ores. C. Gangue. A. Metallurgy: the science and technology regarding the extraction of metals from ores and their purification for the use is called metallurgy. B. Ores: the minerals from which the metal can be separated economically are called ores. Gangue: ores contain impurities such as soil, sand, rocky substances along with the metal compounds. These impurities are called gangue. 8. State the importance of space mission. The importance of space mission. The world has become a global village due to space mission. Today, we can contact a person in any part of the world within a second due to space mission. We can gather information about worldwide events sitting at a home. Due to internet, every information is available at our fingertips. It has become possible to get advance alert about natural calamities and take proper precautions. During war, it is possible to get information about the actions of the enemy through aerial surveillance using satellites. It is also possible to explore the fossil reservoirs and minerals in the earth. Thus, there are unlimited applications of space mission. Today, space mission technology is an inevitable part for development of a nation. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 10वी सायन्स 1 बोर्ड मार्च 2022 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासण्यासाठी पार्ट 3चा व्हिडिओ पहा. गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपण संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनापासून धन्यवाद.